Right away, step touch. So in the 80s, I did one of the first videos with weights and low impact. And I still think it's a great way to build cardio, coordination, and get a little stability out of it because you're going to be using the weights. So let's start off right here. These are 3-pound weights. You're going to do 2 step touches, and then I'm going to combine it with a march across. So watch this march, cross. You want to keep control of your weights the whole time. And I'm going to go through this combination very quickly like I always do. It's march, march, march. This is just 8 marches. One more time, and I'm going to put the 2 together and add arms. Good morning, everybody. Side together. Notice how controlled I am. Then push, push, together, side. Get extra toning work with this, and you can go bigger. I'm going to do that a couple more times, and we're going to go on quickly. Up, down. Let's do that one more time. Right here. So you're going up, down, up, down. Then we're going to do an alternating knee. Step, knee, march, march. Good morning. So on this step, knee, march, march, your arms are stable, and you're going to do a kick back. Kick back, kick back, kick back. And then let's add a toe tap to the side. And I'm just going to follow same arm to leg. Push down. Good morning, guys. Thank you. Alternating knee. Kick back. I can't see you from here, but thanks for joining me. One more time. Kick back, alternating knee. It's step, knee, march, march. Push down. I'm going to go on. 3 tap, lunge, then step across. 3 tap, lunge, repeater, lunge, and cross. Well, I'm going to add a row. And you can do a fly in between if you're controlled. Push. Big chest. Work the back. Do that again. One more. Open the chest. Push. And then march it out. We're going to add a grapevine. Arms are going to come out. Step, 2, 3, tap. Let's add them. Up to the thumbs, to the pinkies. Front and back. Good morning. I'm feeling this. Because you're not throwing the arms. It's very controlled. Squeeze and tap. Push. We got a couple more steps to learn, and then I'll put it all together. So either one, arms front or up. High knees right here. Right. Hold it here. Arms are going to lock in. Opposite arm to knee. Lift. Lift. Then we're going to do doubles on each side. Up, reach, reach. Let's go single, single, single. Oh my goodness. Watch that balance. And then jacks. So we're going to go jack, lunge, stability in the shoulders, out, in, lunge. Out, in. Notice I'm doing the drop with the lunge, and I'm keeping it stable in the jack. Well, that's all the steps. That's everything. How about we put it together? Out. From the top, step touch. Down, crosswalk. Big push. And I'm going to do everything twice through. Up. Up. Crosswalk. Right into the alternating knee triceps. Kick back. Tap it down. Point to the toe. Alternating knee kick back. Look how tall my chest is. Pinch the armpits. Then the 3 lunges, row. Pump, pump, pump and step. And I'm not stopping the arms. Push. You can jump this if you want, but I'm going to keep it pretty stable. Grapevine. Out, up, and back. To the front, to the back. Do that again. Lift. To the front. High knees up right here. Double, double. Push. Work that balance. Lift. Push it. All right, here comes the big finish. Jack, turn. Jack, turn. One more time. Guess what? You just learned the whole combo. Step touch. So do this maybe 3 or 4 times with some fun music. Yeah? One more time right here. Notice I just changed that. Forward. Bye, everybody. See you on Friday for Flexibility Friday.